Is stock photography very competitive? Yes, stock photography is a highly competitive industry. The market for stock photos is crowded with a large number of photographers and stock photo agencies offering their work, which can make it challenging to stand out and succeed. One reason for the competition is the relatively low barriers to entry in the industry. With the availability of high-quality digital cameras and the ability to easily upload and sell images online, many people can enter the market and offer their work for sale. Additionally, many stock photo agencies have strict quality standards and selection criteria, which means that not all submitted images are accepted for sale. This can further increase the competition among photographers as they strive to produce high-quality, unique, and relevant images that meet the agency's criteria. To succeed in the stock photography industry, photographers need to produce high-quality and unique images that meet the needs of the market. They also need to have a good understanding of the industry and stay up to date with trends and changes in the market. Additionally, building a strong personal brand and developing a loyal customer base can help photographers stand out and succeed in the competitive industry.